Orisol has on-site sales support and maintenance office built around the world, just right next to customers' office and production site. This includes Taiwan, Vietnam, Indonesia, US, Brazil, Israel, and other local-based service engineers. Orisol is an R&D-oriented company that will set up 3 different R&D centers in Taiwan, Israel, and Brazil that focus on developments of software, hardware, and Orisol next-generation products. Orisol provides the most interoperable, compatible, and scalable total solutions in key process of footwear manufacturing. We offer automation equipment from upper to assembly process. This includes computer stitching, robotic cementing systems, activator machines, and others. In order to help customers achieve greater efficiency, Orisol also offers smart manufacturing software and services. That includes digital design, Orisol NSCAD designing software. For industrial IoT manufacturing platform, the Orisol PDCS provides real-time production status monitoring. And in after-sales service, supported from ROMs, the AR remote service supported software. Digitalization is most important aspect, especially during the pandemic periods. Edge computing, cloud service, big data, industrial IoT are equipped within Orisol's solutions. OFA 240 is part of solution for footwear assembly. It activates chemicals through flash heating system. The challenges in this process is the heating energy distribution that's spread out on the surfaces. It requires machine to have precise communication within its own, controlling heating energy and monitoring function for the user to know if intervention is needed. With CC-Link IE TSN applying on OFA 240, it gives you total production optimizations that integrates machine communication efficiency, improve executions, and operation that achieve machine monitoring and control from distance. In comparison, here shows the improvement ratio. Using CC-Link IE TSN, communication speed increases more than 220 times, execution speed improved by 7 times, and application speed increased by 12 times. In terms of information flow, it has 2 different types, C2D, controller to device, and C2C, controller to controller. In C2D, instruction can be given to machine from distance through auto recipe. When there are environmental changes, such as temperature, humidity, or other monitoring parameter, the machine will give instruction to adjust according to your setting. In C2C, parallel machine can communicate by itself when there are more than 2 devices in collaboration. In scenario, their first device requires changes for second device, or multiple instructions needs to incorporate with given situational changes. CC-Link IE TSN can synchronize within ±1 millisecond. CC-Link IE TSN is important technology when stepping into new generation of automation. A small add-in solution distinguishes your product competitive advantage. This is also one of Orisol's key milestones to provide solutions that are scalable, compatible, and digitalization.